everyone, it's Sarah from Nova Scotia. Welcome back to my channel at Colorful Creations. I post every Sunday and Thursday morning. So if you subscribe, hit that bell so you get notified when I post a new video. This is huge. I don't even know how I'm gonna fit this on the whole screen here. It's 30 by 48. I'm gonna do a Dutch pour. I wanna put the camera down a bit here so you can hopefully see most of it. Like, oh my God. Okay. I have some colors mixed up. They're mixed how I normally mix them. There's a link to a video in my description. The only one that's mixed thinner is the white, and that's mixed actually equal parts glue, water, that's mixed equal parts Floetrol, glue, paint, water, and then as a half part Liquitex pour medium. But the rest are mixed how I normally mix them. They're when you drizzle them in. If you drizzle them, they leave a little bit of a mound. The base one doesn't. So I'm gonna show you what I have here on this piece of paper towel. So I have I'm only using 2 solid colors and the rest are gonna be kind of a grayscale. So I have, this is a cobalt blue, metallic cobalt blue by Loft. This is Pebeo Iridescent blue green. This color is gorgeous. This is my first time trying this one. It's this one. I'm so excited. And I have, this is just the black by Mont Marte. White by Mont Marte. I have metallic black by Loft. This is silver by Mont Marte. Silver by Mont Marte with a little bit of black added to make it a little bit darker. And this is the same thing, just more black, so it's another shade of, another darker one. This one, it's that silver again, but it has a little bit of blue, a little bit of a blue tint. So here's all the colors I'll be using. So I have a hairdryer, just a regular hairdryer I'll be using. I have an attachment, and I only ever use the attachment to blow out the base coat. For the rest of it, I'll just take this off. And I have an AirBrush. I use this for finer details instead of using a straw. I don't use any paint with it, it's just for the air to come out.
Okay, let's have a look at this. It turned out pretty good. It really has like a bit of a 3D effect with all the different shades of gray and blacks. So I'm gonna let this dry and hopefully nothing happens to it, and we'll have a look at it when it's dry. Okay, here we are. This is just outside. It's dry. There's no resin or varnish on it yet. It dried really nice. I really see all the colors are really showing and everything's the way I was hoping it would be. What do you think of it? Let me know in the comments. Do you love it, hate it? Do you like the colors? Do you like the kind of grayscale effect? This will be on my website. This is a very large painting. It's on my wall for now. So if you want to check that out, you can. and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.